Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Yay!
Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is drinking up, you guys? Today we are doing this video vlog style. I have a very busy day today, so Matt and I are throwing our very first house party ever inside of my house this weekend on Saturday, so that's pretty much tomorrow. I have so much stuff to do. I have a lot of DIY projects I want to work on. I have a lot of stuff that I need to clean up. Zoe just used her button. You guys, I've been teaching Zoe how to freaking use a button and how to talk to us using buttons that say different words. And she's very good at using the outside button. And that was the first time she did it on camera. So I'm very proud of her. This is like the button I'm talking about. I just open the door. She's gonna go outside. She's gonna stare at me. So today I'm gonna be doing a makeover for my patio that I'm super excited about. I need to go to Home Depot. I need to go to Target. I need to pick up lights. I need to put up curtain rods, and I need to clean up my house. Do you guys wanna see this giant mess? This is the current state of my living room. Wow. Just a giant mess. And then we need to put curtains here. We need to clean up this room. Then we need to put curtains here as well. We also need to clean the kitchen. The kitchen's not too bad. We just need to wash the dishes that are in the kitchen and just like clean up some of the things that are on top of here. And then I just have a bunch of stuff in the middle of my hallway because, as you guys know, I've been decorating my house. You guys, look how cute Matt's room turned out. I have a full video on this already, so you guys want to check it out, so check it out down below. But yeah, look how cute it is. Here we are. We are inside Home Depot. I made a little list. I need to get chandelier lights, plants, hooks for my macrame, lots of air plants, zip ties, light hooks, curtains, eye hooks, S hooks, outdoor extension cord, curtain rods, curtain clips, drop cloths. That's a lot. But let's start with the chandelier lights. I should have grabbed my old ones, but I couldn't find them. But I'm pretty sure this would work. These are soft whites. All right, do I go with the cheap ones? Because these are only $4 versus this one is $13. What the heck? Shoot. Oh my God, why are they so expensive? Holy cow, $15 for zip ties? Why are they so expensive? You know what? We're not getting those. Okay, we're just not. I'm balling on a budget today and we ain't doing that today. I found the drop cloth, but it's so freaking tall. Holy cow. I am so short. Oh my God. Oh my. Excuse me?
You need a box?
Thank you.
So you need 3 more?
Oh my God, I think I need 10. Wait, 8. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay, we got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh God, I think I need 10. Holy cow, this is becoming a very expensive project, but that's okay. All right, we've got the drop cloth. It wasted all the space that's in here. I don't know how I'm gonna have enough space for the plants. We got our curtain rods. I'm spending like $150 on curtain rods. I honestly thought this would be like a $100 project. It's turning out to be like a $300 project. We got the hooks. Found the extension cords. Is it a baby fiddly fig? Oh my God, it's so cute. I think I want to get one. So pretty. That's so cute. I think I want to get 2. Oh my God, this guy is so pretty. Yay, I got all the plants I wanted. I literally feel like I'm living in a plant shop. So I'm back in the car with all of my little plants. So now the next step is to go to Target. Yay! I don't know why I say that every single time, but I get very excited to be at Target. All right, so we're at Target right now, and I'm getting these curtain clip rings. These are $9 a pack. Oh my God, I got so many curtains because I don't know what size I need. I also don't know if I'm gonna like them when I actually hang them up. So I bought so many different ones. I bought 2 of every single one that I got. These are sheer curtains. These are for my smaller windows. Well, we're not doing that, never mind. Yay, I am home. So this is the project I wanted to show you guys that I'm working on. So this is my pergola. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang string lights over here. And then on top of that, what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna create a cabana with all of my curtains that I got from Home Depot. I got scissors, I got my drill, I have a hammer, and then all of my little drill bits. And I think that should be everything that I need for this project. I don't know if I told you guys this or not, but the biggest reason I'm actually doing this all by myself is because I had somebody come by and give me a quote just to put up the lights on this pergola. Not even my entire backyard was gonna be $600 freaking dollars. And I was like, you know what? I can do it myself. and it's probably not gonna look as professional, but it's not gonna cost me $600 if I do it myself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the extension cord from here to here, then up here, and then from here I'm gonna have the pergola go back and forth like that. So then it's gonna end there. All right guys, I don't really know what I'm doing here. Let me just start with the lights. I have all of these lights. These I purchased from Target. They're $12 each. They look like this. I literally bought 11 packs of these, and I think that should be enough to cover the pergola, but who knows, I could be totally wrong. What's annoying is that you have to individually put these lights on one by one. I can't believe I was gonna pay someone $600 to do this when with $600, it's gonna pay for this entire cabana and then all of my curtains inside of the house. I love being a cheap bitch. I mean, I'm sorry. I love being a DIY queen. Actually, that's Lauren. I love being a DIY girl who can do things by herself. We have our first set ready. Now we need to do our second set. Yay! Yay! We got all 4 done. Trying to keep my workspace clean, so I'm gonna just throw these out really fast. So the next step I have is I bought these cup hooks. These are what cup hooks look like. And my pergola is made out of wood, so I'm just gonna screw these in. I'm taking a 5/64 drill bit, and I'm just gonna put that right in there. Cool. Yay! Let's do this. Yay, one in. Oh my god, they got stuck. Wow. The thing got stuck in it. What are the chances? So, I did 3. Now I need to do 5 on this side and 4 on that side. Yay, I did it. If you guys can see it, there are these little hooks just going around the entire pergola, and then I have 5 on this side and 4 on this side. So I think I'm gonna work on 2 cords at a time. So I have to make sure that the males are facing this way. If you don't know what a male or a female is, a female has a hole, a male has a penis. I am so proud of myself. Holy cow, this looks so freaking good. Look at this. Look. Your girl was gonna spend $600. Nuh-uh-uh-uh. She did it herself. I'm so proud. I love being cheap and I love doing things myself. So this was like a win-win situation for me. All right, so the next thing I need to do is working on the cabana part. So this one shouldn't be too hard. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these curtain rods up, and then from there I'm gonna hang up the little curtains. I'm not gonna lie, hanging curtain rods is like my least favorite thing to ever do ever, so I'm not looking forward to this at all. Also, the one I bought says that it's as easy as hanging a picture frame, and if that's not the case and I'm asking for my money back, I'm just gonna wing it. That wasn't too bad at all, actually. The sunset's so pretty right now. I wish you guys could see it. Alright, time to hang up this curtain. Yay! Guess who found an extension cord? I did. So we are gonna light up this baby. I'm so excited to see it lit up. So I'm gonna put you guys in a good spot so you guys can see it. Ah! Oh my god, that looks so good. I did that. Oh my god, that looks so cool. That is a vibe. That looks so freaking good. Alright guys, so it's a little dark out, as you guys can tell. I finished putting up all the curtain rods. I didn't do this side, which is like the opening side, because my neck is literally killing me. Now I'm gonna put up the curtains. vibe. I love it. We aren't fully done yet, but I'm too tired to do more. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day now. It is the day of the party. So Matt was so amazing. He woke up early and cleaned the entire kitchen. It's nice and clean. I don't know if you guys remember what it looked like yesterday, but it was definitely a little bit messier than this. He also cleaned the laundry room and cleaned all the countertops with bleach, which was so nice of him, and cleaned off this little area as well. So right now we're working on cleaning all the other areas that are inside this house and then putting up the curtains. So yeah, that's what we're gonna work on today. As of right now, I'm trying to put away these snacks that are in this box. These are my favorite snacks ever. They're impossible to find inside a store, so I buy them off of Amazon. Yay, the living room is freaking clean. Look how good it looks now. I added some more plants around the entire place. So plants here, plants there. Then I threw away the old plants that were dying and just added new plants as well. Oh my God, the cake is here. Ah, I look amazing. Hi. Oh my God, Zoe, so sorry. Come on. Oh my God. Yay. Okay, so what do I do?
Yeah, just put it in the refrigerator and that's it. Okay.
Yay.
Enjoy it.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God, it's so pretty. It is so freaking pretty. You guys, this is the cake I got Matt. It's called a cookie cake. I've never seen a cake like this until I was at an event with Murad, and they bought me a cake in the shape of a heart, and it was like so nice and thoughtful of them. And ever since then, I've been obsessed with these cakes. They taste so delicious. They're not too sweet, and they're just like so pretty to look at. Oh my God, it's so aesthetic. There's peaches and strawberries and raspberries and roses and macarons. So pretty. The next room we're gonna work on is actually this room. There's not much to do in this room, just to decorate it a little bit more. And then I need to figure out all this stuff on the side right here. I think I just need to throw all this stuff away. Our next project is working on the curtain rods. So I'm gonna put the curtain rods here. We also need one here and here. Oh my God, do you guys see this angel? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You are so freaking adorable. All right, so the next thing I'm working on right now is making the curtain rod for this window and then adding the curtains as well. We have this little set. This is from West Elm. It's so freaking cute. Oh my God, the curtains are up. They look so freaking good. So I did 3 sets. In the last 2 days, I have literally put up 8 curtain rods. I'm over curtain rods, but at the same time, I'm an expert. So if you guys need to hire anybody, hello, I am for hire. All right guys, little update here. We are officially done decorating the house for the party, and I wanted to show you guys everything. The backyard looks so freaking cool. Oh my God, this lighting is so nice. I'm honestly so proud of this. I think this entire project probably cost about $300 for me to do the cabana part, but it was 100% worth it. I think it looks gorgeous. So what we did was that we actually left this cabana 3/4 opened, because that way it's like not blocked off weirdly. But I think in the future I'm gonna have like one more set of curtains right here and right here, so it doesn't fully close, but at least it's like a little bit more enclosed. But for right now, I think it looks completely fine. And it was so freaking easy to do as well. All I pretty much did was hung up curtain rods, and then I got these drop cloths from Home Depot, and these are about $12 each, and it's 6 foot by 9 feet. And then I just folded over the extra amounts, and I used these little clip-ins, so that way I didn't need to make a hole on the curtains itself, so I can reuse them in the future if I want different lengths or anything like that. Let's go inside the house so I can show you guys everything that's inside the house. So this is what the living room looks like. Shark is looking so cute. She's so confused why everything is moved around in this house. But we actually took off the rug in this room because we're gonna have people's shoes on. I just didn't want people to ruin the white rug. Look how nice and pretty everything is. Everything is in its spot. Then we have this room. This is gonna be the beer pong room. We took out the carpet again in this room because it was a white carpet. And then we set up this little side table here, a little lamp here. We have this random bookcase that we haven't filled yet with anything, but this is just gonna be where people play beer pong. And then this is like the dining room. I don't really know what people are gonna do in here. Just hang out, chill, listen to music. We have this crazy karaoke machine that LG gave us, but it also plays really loud music, and it has this really cool like party acceleration feature on it. And then Matt wanted to put out the Philips Hue lights, so then we have it in blue and pink.
Happy birthday to you. Let's go.
Yeah!
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.